Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what came in the Cloth and Paper October Penspiration box this month. I'm super excited about this month because they have a couple of different items that I haven't seen before in any of their other boxes. So I'm really excited to show you guys. My first and favorite thing about the pen box is this pouch. Every month you get a new pouch filled with pens. I love these pouches because I reuse them for different things. Sometimes I keep my Penspiration pens in here, but other times I take them out and I reload them with sticky notes or other things that I like to carry with me or in my purse or my backpack when I'm heading to school. So I love that you get a new pouch every single month. So this month we got a couple of different things. We got a mechanical pencil, a few different pens, and an eraser. I absolutely love the shape of this and the pop of color. I think that's really cool. This is the mechanical pencil that came in this month's box. I love that it's super shiny. It almost looks like a pen, and it comes with all these different refills. It is a 2.0 millimeter point. So I'll do a pen test for you guys so you can see what all of these pens write like and the colors that they are. So this is the mechanical pencil. It writes super nice. It doesn't come with an eraser, but of course they included one, so you have these two as a pair. So this is the next pen. It's a 0.5 millimeter point, and I believe it is black ink. This one writes really, really smooth. I actually think it's a roller ball, if I'm not mistaken, but it is gel ink, which I love. I absolutely love gel ink pens. Okay, so here's the next pen. It's this pretty metallic blue color. I would guess this is a 0.5 millimeter point as well, and it looks to be gel ink, which is awesome, and it's triangular, so it has a really good grip. I love that. And then here is the next pen. This one is also a 0.5 millimeter point. I really like this one as well. And then here is the final one, which I think is gonna be one of my absolute favorites. It's a Zebra Sarasa 0.5, and I love this brand of pen. They write so good. Just pop that off. So as you can see, it's kind of a steel blue color, which is super cool because if you do any type of like journaling or memory keeping, this is a really good pen to use just to add a little bit of color, but it's not like too much of a pop, which I really like. So I love this one, and honestly, Zebra Sarasa pens just write so good. I love the look of it too. It has a nice little grip. So overall, I think this month's box had a really good mix of pens. They're all very, very different from each other, different brands to try out, and this would be a really good gift for either girls or guys. They're not pink or like glittery or anything, which I really, really appreciate. They're very professional looking, so this would be an awesome gift for a dad or a husband. So I definitely recommend subbing to the Penspiration box. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will put all the information for these pens in the description box for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!